Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abimbola. If you're new here, welcome. It's nice to have you on. Happy holidays. This is my favorite season of the year. I hope you guys are having so much fun with your friends and families, and even if you're alone, hope you enjoy yourself and watching Netflix and eating jollof rice. So I know the year is about to come to an end. A new year is right around the corner. I've decided that I'm going to be getting rid of some of my old clothes. I don't want these clothes to follow me into 2021. I have some really nice dresses. I think they're nice, so I hope you think they are too. But I have some really nice dresses that I haven't worn in a while. Some of them I've not even worn since I moved to the US, and I keep saying, "Oh, I'll wait," and it just keeps causing clutter for my wardrobe. So I would advise you to also do the same. If you have old clothes that you've not worn in a while, like you're a hoarder like me, and you keep tightening your clothes to your chest, and you say you wear tomorrow, and they just keep hanging. In fact, if you have something in your wardrobe you've not worn in 2 years, please give somebody or get rid of it. Just do something. You don't need it apparently, especially if they are still very good clothes. If they are clothes you haven't worn maybe more than once or twice, because most times we buy things like me now. I'm a hoarder. I have so many clothes that I will just wear once and I'll keep it, and I'm like, oh, I'm going to wear it tomorrow, and I never ever wear them. So imagine when an outfit just once since 2016, and I'm still holding on to it, like I'll still wear it, and I've not touched it. If you have things like that, please get rid of them. You can either sell them. So if you're in Canada, if you're in the US, you can sell them on Poshmark. You can sell them. There's Poshmark Canada, there's Poshmark US. It's just like let's say OfferUp. I don't know if you know OfferUp, or just an account. If you Google www.poshmark.com, create a profile, post your pictures with these clothes, and put the price tag. People reach out to you. I want this, and just send it over to them. I think they do that for Depop too. So you can sell these clothes, make a little money. You can also give them out to charity organizations. People who need them, wash them, let them look neat, look good. Don't give out torn clothes, please. That's so unfair. Wash them, give it out to people that would actually use them, that actually need them. Just give it out to charity organizations. If you go to church, give them out in church, give them out in the mosque. Just give them out to people that would actually be useful for. So don't tie old clothes to your chest this new year. It's a new year, new me. I wouldn't advise you to throw your clothes or put your clothes in the garbage or in the trash. There's so many people that need clothes right now, so it's better to give it out to someone that will pray for you and bless your life. So please follow my advice. Give out clothes that you don't need this season. I'm just going to show you guys these clothes. Some I've worn just once, some maybe twice. I don't think I've worn any of them more than twice actually. I would also be inserting photos of the time I wore these clothes. Some of these items actually are not as fitted as they used to be because I lost some weight, so they don't fit as good anymore, while some of them are still snatched. So I don't know the ones I'm going to give out or not, but we'll see. I hope I'm able to do so, because I'm not even still sure, because I still feel like I should hold on to them. But having clothes for 5 years you haven't touched is not fair. Please give it out to somebody that is in need, and someone will pray for you and bless you. Also guys, please do not forget to hit that like button. Help my channel to grow. I appreciate every one of my subscribers, everyone that leaves a comment on my post and likes my video. Please leave your comments, keep liking my videos, and subscribe. Also hit that notification button, sorry, so in the event that I post any video, you are immediately alerted and you can watch these videos. Keep watching and enjoy. So this is my first outfit. I actually bought this dress for a friend's grandma's birthday. As in, just imagine, what's my business? Anyways, I worn it only once. Really nice dress. I worn it only once. I think the size, and I can't rest this. Okay, it's a 40, so I think that's a 12 or a 10. I don't know. So prepare to watch me dazzle you with this beauty. This is the back. It's a really nice dress, but it used to be so tight and short because I was much bigger then. But it looks really nice, and I'm not sure if I want to take this away anymore. Anyways, yeah, this is it. I want it just once. If you like it, let me know. This is the skirt and a blouse. Cut the outfit. It was actually a gift. I think I've worn it just maybe twice. It's really nice. So I'll probably sell it right now. I just, I think twice. One for my boss's party, and then a friend's sister's wedding. I was doing my money family wedding. I love this. Oh, wow. I don't think I'm giving this out anymore, but let me show you how nice I look. Okay, this I got it in the US when I first moved. I got it for my friend brother's wedding. I know how ridiculous I sound. I think I wore it just once, but it was really tight and short at that time, so I was like, nah, I'm not gonna wear this anymore. So let's see how it looks on me right now. It's one hell of a pretty dress. I really love this dress. I wore it for barely 5 hours. Then I forgot all about it, so you gotta go. This, I think I wore it twice, I think, and I usually buy dresses when I have events, so I don't like to wear what I have because they don't look as nice anymore. I don't think this will fit as nice because it was a little big when I got it, but let's see. So has a little slit by the side. I love this dress, it's so pretty. Coming for a wedding or yeah, whatever. Okay, so I think this is the one I've worn the most, probably 3-4 times. But I love this dress. It was a gift from my sister to me. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the process, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching these different clothes which I am trying to get rid of. And I hope it has encouraged somebody to do the same. Also, I'm thinking, leave your comments, let me know if any of you is actually interested in any of these clothes. Let me know, and I would also decide maybe I should give away. It's not a competition, no, it's not a competition, but at least I want to give one of my faithful and loving subscribers. I will just give it out to anyone who is interested. As I said, these are really good clothes, clean clothes. So if anyone is interested, these clothes are in either a size 10 or 12. So please, if it will not fit you, don't leave any comment. It will be unfair. If it's going to be big, you can always take it to the tailors and adjust them, so no big deal with that. But if it's going to be too small, don't do jukukuro. Don't comment. But maybe you give your family member, but make sure your family member is a subscriber also, just in case. Anyway, so yeah, anyone that's interested, I would decide. There's no criteria. I'll just look at any nice person and just give it out. So let me know the one you would like to have, and we'll figure out how to get it to you. Yeah, so finally, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. Please be very positive, be very optimistic about 2021. I know 2020 didn't go as a lot of people envisaged, but this is a new year, so we gingered. New year, new you. Things are going to come your way. The things that you've hoped for. I wish you a wonderful, a great, and a very happy new year. Please be positive. Start your 2021 on a great and positive note, and things will be amazing for you all. I wish you all the best. Subscribe, like my video, and leave your comments. Thank you so much, guys.